Please look at the board carefully. I'm going to use all these possibilities to pose questions. I can use to a, I can use a to. That means I can take this a and put in front here and I pose the same question. Actually, we are supposed to say a to, but the French also use to a to pose questions. They will say vous êtes, they will use it to pose questions. They will reverse this et and come and put in front and still use it to pose questions. Finally, they are going to use est-ce que to pose questions. When they use est-ce que, they are going to proceed directly to use tu or vous. They will not use et or et. When they use est-ce que, they will proceed directly to tu or vous. They will not use et or et.